So what is going on with Shiba Inu right here, right now? That's what this video is about. We're going to cover this. It's going to be a real quick video, 2 or 3 minutes long, get you in, get you out, let you know exactly what is happening with Shiba Inu and it related to the overall kind of broad market. Okay, right here, as of this second, as recording this video, SHIB has weathering the storm really, really nicely. It's at 8129, up 1%. In the last 24 hours, you can see it has been all the way up to 8.3 and been down to 7.8. Okay, so again, it's actually faring pretty well. Now, the overall kind of scenario that's playing out, we're going to go look at that in just a minute. We've had this massive move down in the last 7 days. We had a pretty significant down with the overall market conditions, but it's really, again, stabilized in the last 3 or 4 days right here. Probably really 2 or 3 days rather, excuse me, in this consolidation pattern. Okay. We've had a lot of buy-ins, a lot of whales have been coming in. There's been a whale that now owns over $35 million worth of Shiba Inu in one wallet alone. So we're definitely continuing to get whale activity. Now, the overall market is down 1.15 as of recording this video, below 900 billion. It's at 888 billion. A few months ago, that was the entire market capitalization of Bitcoin, by the way, just on a completely different side note. Okay. And so again, you have Bitcoin and Ethereum have fallen 2+%, 7 days have fallen 30 and 38% respectively. Shiba Inu has fallen only 21% in the overall kind of market volatility conditions as far as kind of what's going on there. Where we're at, guys, is simply put, is that everybody's kind of waiting for the weekend. Historically, if you go back and you look at what has transpired when the Federal Reserve has made an announcement, usually the weekend kind of has this kind of weird effect. So we had yesterday that was a bad day in the overall on the stock side. And then right here, right now, you can see that the Dow's down 188 and the Nasdaq's up 36 as of again the recording. Okay, steep weekly bad losses. Okay, but again, it's in a situation where stocks took a hit massively yesterday, et cetera. So they really got pummeled. And the question is whether or not crypto is going to go even further. There is a tremendous amount of speculation that says Bitcoin could go all the way down to about 12,000. And Ethereum could go below down into maybe the $600 range. So that is kind of a really, from here down, guys, that's really the lowest levels that we are, that the people that do really strong technical analysis are saying. And so you could look for some falling pressure. And that's kind of what everybody's looking to this weekend. Right here, right now, the fear and greed index bounced up from a 7. It did bounce up to a 9. You can see it right here, where this little fear and greed index right here. And that's where we're at. That's what's going on right here, right now. So just keep your eye for this weekend. If the overall markets move down, SHIB will move down a little bit with them. But again, it's a broader market move down. So that's what we're waiting on to kind of see how the overall market plays out this weekend. I'll see you. Bye.